The solar system is the collection of celestial bodies that orbit our sun, including planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects. Here's a brief overview. The sun at the center of the solar system is the Sun, a massive star made mostly of hydrogen and helium. It provides the gravitational pull that keeps all the objects in orbit, and its energy sustains life on Earth. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system, divided into 2 groups. 1. Terrestrial planets, rocky planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. 2. Gas giants, giant planets made primarily of gases. Jupiter, Saturn. 3. Ice giants, similar to gas giants but with a higher presence of water, ammonia, and methane. Uranus, Neptune. Dwarf planets. There are also several dwarf planets that are similar to regular planets but don't have enough mass to clear their orbits of other debris. The most famous is Pluto, although others like Eris and Haumea are also classified as dwarf planets. Moons. Many of the planets have natural satellites, or moons, orbiting them. For example, Earth has 1 moon, while Jupiter has over 70 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Other objects. 1. Asteroid belt. Located between Mars and Jupiter, this region is filled with asteroids, which are rocky remnants from the early solar system. 2. Comets. These are icy bodies that originate from the outer solar system, often with dramatic tails when they approach the Sun. 3. Kuiper belt. Beyond Neptune, this region contains icy bodies, including dwarf planets like Pluto. 4. Oort cloud. A hypothetical distant region containing icy bodies that could be the source of long-period comets. The solar system is vast and full of fascinating objects, from planets to distant icy bodies, all bound by the Sun's gravity.